Hey, morning peeps. This is the original JOOLCA gas shower, portable gas shower. This is the gas fittings for it, which is fine, and this will fit the UK. This comes with it and whatnot, and this is the bit that goes into the actual shower itself. You've probably seen that if you've got one of these showers. I've got a bit of a dilemma because in my camper I have a gas bottle at the back, which I'll show you, and I've modified my gas bottle to use these fittings. These are called Quick Connect gas fittings. They are perfectly safe. They're actually built to British standard and they are brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So for quick release and quick use, I'm going to change it over. So I don't need to change the gas regulator because I've got one of these on my tank already. I use these because I just find them, they don't leak because they have a rubber on the end. So when you screw this into your gas tank, I'm using propane, it fits beautifully and you can just hand tighten it, and it never leaks. I've got no problems. I use my gas cooker on here on it, and it works fine. So the idea is now, what I want to do, I've got a piece of adapter here which I had down the cabin, and this was to run 2 gas burners at the same time. Sorry, focus. 2 gas burners at the same time using separate taps with a quick connect. So I want to take that quick connect off here. Focus. Yeah. Take this quick connect off here. Pop it onto here. The same sort of pipe. The same sort of 8mm, 10mm pipe. And then I don't need that connector, or the other way around, it doesn't really matter. I want to put this connector, which then connects to the JOOLCA shower on that end. You got it? Bit confusing, I know. And I've looked online, it says you can do it, and JOOLCA has got a website and tells you yes, you can use this type, and you can even buy these fittings separate. But I don't really need this because it'll only be used in the van anyway. So the idea is to take that off, put it on there, take that off and put it on the other end, and I'll come back to you when I've done it, and I'll show you what I mean when it goes to fit it. Okay, this, if anybody's interested in, is my portable camper kit, which with a little bit of tools, screwdrivers and whatnot, some pliers. I should have some cutters here somewhere. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, there they are. So the idea is take them out. There we go. And I'm going to cut off, well, just that I need. That's all I need. I just need to take that off. Oh, sorry, I was looking at the other end. I just need to unclip that and get this intact. That's what I need first. Okay, what I'm doing, I've just put a screwdriver underneath it, loosened it. I don't really want to damage it, so I'm just peeling it back with a pair of cutters. There we go. That's all I'm doing. Quick pull. And that's it. So I've not damaged that or anything. I've not damaged the pipe, just in case we have to reuse it, because all you can use then, you just use a duplicate clip back on it and it'll be back as it was. So that's good. So that'll just go straight in. There we go. Push him all the way home. Perfect. Decent screwdriver. Don't slip because it hurts, see? Anyway, just nice and tight, and just bend that clip over. So that's the one end done, and that is beautiful. Look at that. So this gives me a more extended gas fitment as well. So on the other end, that's my glass. I'm going to take this off now because I've got exactly the same one on my gas bottle, which I'll show you in a sec. This isn't coming off so easy, so out comes the trusty Stanley, and I'll just make a nice clean cut. Okay, that's off. Next one is take this off now. Different fitting. You'll probably notice that some of the fittings, when you put the Jubilee clip on, you see how tight they get. So you might just have to ease it with a small screwdriver. Doesn't matter which one. Oh, sorry. Just put it underneath. Don't stab yourself. And just ease it. that is tight. Use it all the way around. There we go. There we go. Alright, so then we've got this quick fit fitting, and that'll now pop into here, like so. Okay, tighten up, and I'll show you what I mean by easy quick fitting. So in theory, all we've done is changed this, which fits to my propane bottle to make life easier for myself. Yep, so we've done that to make so a quick connect fitting instead of the original, which is that, which is good. These are good, these are really good. I like these. Keep that as a spare. And then what we've done is changed the lead for a longer lead and swapped on the JOOLCA gas fitting, which fits to the JOOLCA hot tap shower, and I'll show you in the back now what I mean. Okay, so this is my JOOLCA shower. That's a spare one. That's my little portable summer shower. I was just putting in there for convenience. The bag I got from JOOLCA as well, really good, well worth the money, beautifully made, good zip on it and everything. So this connection will then go to my shower unit. Where are we? Down the bottom. I can't show you, it's in the bag anyway. So that fits to the shower, and what I mean by a quick connection is in the back of my vehicle. So here's my tap. I would look on JOOLCA's site. Yes, they are recommended, they can use these. So like I said, it's got the finger tight jobby lobbly, and that fits on there. So this is my quick connect fitting. Okay, I put, you know, I've done it the wrong way around. I need the other bit. I've got that. Anyway, you'll get the idea. So this, let's say this is coming out of my shower. My fault. Do apologise for that. So this part is coming out of my shower. Okay, and that fits into the tank here by a quick fit. If I can do it one-handed, I will try. Right, hold on. Let me just get it lined up and I'll show you what I mean. So I can do it one-handed. Oh, hold on, I'm not going to be able to do this. Let me just, there we go. You couldn't see it, but that's what happens. So it's a quick fit, it seals, it's brilliant, it doesn't leak at all, and then release. So I've got to find the other end of this. Sorry, I put the wrong end on. So you can buy these off eBay. I'll put a link in the description down below if anybody's interested for the quick release gas or quick link gas, and then I bought a couple of sets. They're only cheap. Not focusing again, is he? There we go. So I will change this now for that. My fault. Anyway, there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. So this is a way of connecting my JOOLCA gas to my bottle, quick and easy for the UK. Take care, and we'll definitely catch you in the next one.